airport cruise. Into the pool. Deck on the 5th floor. The top deck, or I should say the 5th floor deck, pool. Fitness center. Business center. On the internet, and maybe make copies or print out some documents. It's the business center. It's the Kiki's restaurant and bar in the Crowne Plaza Hotel. Serving breakfast. It is an upcharge for the restaurant. Also have a bar. We have meeting room, business center, fitness center, restrooms, and a sun-dry shop. Here's the hours for the sun-dry shop. Just some snacks. Sunglasses. Coffees and little muffins. You got your sunscreen. Other things you might need. More snacks, popcorn, candy, some cereal. Any kind of medications and toiletry that you might have forgotten is all here in the sun-dry shop. Here's the pool area, which we'll go in there later. restroom. Storage underneath. We have the Brooklyn hand wash and plant-based lotion, towels, toilet area. Behind the door, we actually have a walk-in shower. And those same products. And the shampoo, conditioner, and the bath gel. Big, large walk-in shower. Handrail for safety. Rock bottom, non-slippery. Full walk-in shower with glass and sliding door. Full-length mirror. And the mirror is actually the closet also. A few hangers. And it actually have an iron and an iron board. So the closet is right behind the full-length mirror as you walk in. Small fridge. You have an actual microwave, Keurig. Coffee, ice bucket, couple cups, a mirror, a full desk, a chair with a back, a sitting area, a love seat, and a king size bed. On the side, you have your phone. We have outlets here. Storage area underneath, drawer. And sitting area for your suitcases. TV, a dresser. Three doors on each side, space in between. Right on the opposite side of the bed, we have the clock, and also some outlets on this side also, with the same drawer space. So this is a king size room. On the, we have the side view. This is the parking lot across the street, but we are right across from the cruise port. chicken